Hello, YouTube. Okay, so I got this snowblower right here in the fall of September. And it's a yard machine, 3.5 Tecumseh, 21-inch cut. When I bought this, the guy's like, it runs all rough, real rough. $10. Hell with it, I took it. But a lot of people that have a snowblower for $20, $30 usually says the old time phrase, oh, it might need a spark plug. I don't care if snowblower, weed whacker, lawnmower, whatever, spark plug. No, I'm sorry that this thing didn't need a spark plug. I found out what was wrong with it. Okay, I'll show you. Took that the bowl off. Someone cut the line right there because this line was way, see, don't fit perfectly now. But it was just that much extra, and trust me, it's gravity fed, but it's also, it has to get that gas. So having too long can give you a bit of trouble anyway. Another thing that I found out, that right there, I don't know how, but that can actually get not to, it can leak. It can leak. And you don't want water in your stuff, trust me in that. Something about this, the performance and that, it's supposed to do something anyway. It's a vent anyway for the gas. And I guess it will leak in rainwater. So I do have a replacement for this part. But that was not the only thing that was wrong with it. When I took that bowl off and the nut right there, that ball right here, do you see those droplets? I'll show you something. Okay, this was the gas that was in there. If you can see those bubbles right there, in that, on the bottom of this pan, them bubbles are water. So you can't mix gas and water together because that won't run all that. So all I gotta do is clean this with carb cleaner. Right here, real good. Get that hose off the nipple of the carburetor. I want to put a fuel filter on the gas line and everything else, and after I do that, put on the bowl, put on the nut once I clean them, and I guarantee that, and fresh gas and oil, this is a 2-cycle, 50-1. As soon as I do that, I guarantee it will run like a dream. But that's what some people do, and like I said, I'm not going to complain about $10, because that's worth to me all day. I'm flipping something more using myself. But that is part of the reason that you want to look for. That needle is good. Moving around right there. Sometimes you want to check that needle, see if it's all moving. Put a little oil on there, and a little WD to help guide it, lubricate it. And I see that this one has a plastic float. A lot of them have a copper float. And a lot of times, especially its Thompson motor, no matter what it is, if it's on a lawnmower, snowblower, whatever, and you see gas coming out of your carburetor, right here, is coming out. Well, a lot of times that there's a little tiny hole that you can't see with the naked eye that's in that float. This one's plastic. The other ones, the original ones, are copper. And they get heavy. And if you take one off and shake it and you hear a slosh, replace it. It's junk. But it's a nice snowblower, especially for the price. And that's all I got to do to it, is clean it up a little bit and bam. And I'm having someone look at another one almost identical to it for $65, so $65. So, y'all, hell, I got, what, 5, 6 snowblowers. Y'all, I can't have them all. So, you better sell them before it's winter. Because I'm telling you, it's when they're looking for them. My old man always told me, don't think of today, what's going on today. Think about what's coming. And what it tells me is, hell, I'll buy lawnmowers dirt cheap in the winter. Yes, the winter. That's the only time you can find lawnmowers and no one wants. Almost give them away. Fix them, flip them, sell them. So that's the tip today. All right. Well, hopefully you enjoyed it, and that gave you some ideas. And subscribe if you want, and thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. Peace.